are in search of striped bass. One of the key indicators of where the striped bass are birds. Lots of birds. Do we have birds or what? Holy Christ! We've got an absolute feeding frenzy on our hands, and we are going to bust it up. Days like this, you just toss it in the water and go. Show us what we got, Timmer. Toss one out there. Whoa! Come on. We have a fish on just like that, folks. Captain Tim. Captain Tim. He has got a fish on. It's a small one, but nonetheless, it's a bass. Walk us through what happened there, Tim.
Well, main idea is to drop down.
Tim has another fish on.
Yeah, I think it's 7 to 1.
He thinks it's 7 to 1.